that she didn't understand what she was doing. Then the prosecution played a video, Jacqueline at a bar 10 months before the Phoenix wedding, speaking to a friend, recorded on the friend's phone without Jacqueline's knowledge. "This wedding scam is genius," Jacqueline said, laughing. "These desperate divorced dads will pay anything to feel like good fathers. We've made $200,000 in 2 years, 2 more weddings, and I'm buying a house cash." The jury deliberated for 6 hours, came back with their verdict. The courtroom was packed. I sat in the gallery with other victims' families. We'd formed a strange bond, parents who'd been betrayed by their own children. "Has the jury reached a verdict?" "We have, Your Honors." "On the count of wire fraud, how do you find?" "Guilty." "On the count of marriage fraud?" "Guilty." Count after count, guilty, guilty, guilty. Jacqueline showed no emotion, just stared straight ahead. Samuel looked angry. Rebecca, his real wife, sat in the gallery watching. She'd cut a deal with prosecutors, testified against both of them, received immunity. Sentencing came 2 weeks later. I attended. The judge, a woman named Patricia Morrison, read from prepared remarks. "Ms. Patrick, you exploited the trust between parent and child. You weaponized your father's love. You turned sacred ceremonies into criminal enterprises. You showed no remorse, no empathy, no recognition of harm caused. The court sentences you to 15 years in federal prison, followed by 5 years supervised release. You are ordered to pay $185,000 in restitution to victims." 15 years, Jacqueline would be 46 when she got out. Samuel received 22 years, 7 marriages, 7 sets of victims, 7 fraudulent ceremonies. As they led Jacqueline away in handcuffs, she looked at me. Finally, first time during the entire trial, her eyes held something, not remorse, not regret, hatred, pure hatred. I looked back calmly, held her gaze until she turned away. Outside the courthouse, reporters surrounded us, victims' families. I gave a brief statement. "My daughter chose crime over character. The justice system held her accountable. That's all that matters." A reporter pushed forward. "Mr. Reynolds, do you have any message for your daughter?" I thought about it, about the little girl who'd once brought me Father's Day cards made in kindergarten, about the teenager who'd asked me to teach her how to drive, about the woman who'd stood in my house planning my financial exploitation. I hope she uses this time to become a better person, that's all. I flew home to Phoenix that evening. Carolyn picked me up from the airport. "How are you?" she asked as we drove back to Paradise Valley.